In this video, I am going to show you that how to validate the minimum and maximum character limit of shipping address. So you can do this using DS address validation app. To install this app, simply going to the Shopify App Store at search menu. Here, simply search address validation keyword. This is the application. You can see. Just click it here. Simply install, click on install this application button. Okay. Now I'm going to show you that how you can configure this rule. So this is my testing store. To configure the rule, first click here. Here there is a two section. First one is for the shipping address and second one is for the billing address. You can validate the shipping address as well as the billing address using my application. So first, let's configure this rule via click here. Now this is the internal title for the use internal use. Okay. So there is a fourth field, minimum or maximum length checker. To enable this rule, simply turn on this button. Click here. Now first, I am going to set the minimum and maximum length character length limit for the address validation for the address line 1. Minimum is a 4 and maximum I can set is at 25. This rule will be used while you are working with some specific courier services and that the courier services has uh, some minimum character limit, minimum or maximum character limits of the address. That time this rule will be useful to you, right? Now simply write the validation error message that character limit is minimum 4 and maximum 25. Now let's have this rule. Now jump back on the Shopify website. This is the website. Now let's move on the cart page. I have already keep add to the cart one product. My application will work on the store checkout page. So now let's jump on the store checkout page. Here I have already filled some mandatory details which checked first by the Shopify itself, like email address, first name, last name, address, then zip code, city, etc., etc. Right. So now let's check this rule for the address one. Now let's just add 3 characters. So here I have put only 3 characters, but the minimum address should be 4 character and maximum should be 25 character, right? So this is gives the error message from my application, right? Now let's so when I put this, there is a no error message. But now let's choose this. So the character limit is more than 25. This character is more than 25. So it again gives error message that character limit is from minimum 4 and maximum 25. Right. This is how this can be worked. Now let's again jump back to the application. Now if I want to set the same message, same limit for different fields like city, address line 2, first name, last name, company. Then I will simply click here on add block. Here I will choose address line 2. Here I will choose 1, and the address line 2 must be in a character limit of 15. Simply put the error message that here I will do 1, and here it's 15. Just save the chances again. Now it will check both address line 1 and address 2, which is here. This is the address and this is the address 2. So now let's check here again. Yeah, this character is a maximum of is greater than a 50, right? So it gives error. Now let's remove some of the characters. So here you can see that there is no error message for address line 2. Now let's do the same thing with here with this address 1. So now you can see that there is no error message from my application because all the rules we have set is fulfilled by this address correctly. Okay. So by this you can add more fields and more rules in this tab for the email, phone number, city, zip code, delivery phone number, company name, first name or last name. Okay, this will be you can set up as per your requirement. Okay, now let's jump back to the dashboard of the application. Now I am going to show you that how you can simply test the application using the testing mode of my application. There is a test mode we have in the store setting page. So choose this, save the check setting, and you can see there is a steps that to verify the app functionality Shopify at Shopify checkout page. It is mandatory to use Devesha. This is the keyword which you need to put as a first name of the delivery detail, and this is must be in a English language only. If you put in this same keyword in any other languages, then my application will not work, right? So here now let's again see that all address and address 2 is violating the rule which we have set in my application, but currently it don't show the error because we didn't put this keyword uh, uh, right now. So now let's check. When I put Devesha as a first name in English language, and then it shows the error message. So by this, so you can simply check and validate the minimum and maximum character limits using my DS address validation app in your Shopify store. Thank you.